So what are your most important choices in your life? If I were to ask you this at 3B, can you jot down the most important choice you ever made? Looking back on it now, you realize, wow, that was the most important choice I ever made. At the time, here's the irony, at the time, it may have actually been made without much thought. It may have been made without any real concern or consideration. I once taught a student who in his junior year was already being recruited to play ball at college. Tremendous gifted athlete. He was going to play ball, baseball. And he said, you know, it's interesting, I love baseball now. But he said, you know, I look back to my very first Little League experience. I wasn't going out for the ball club. I was on my bike with my pal riding to the park. He was going to practice for baseball. I didn't have any idea. I didn't even own a glove. And I was just riding my bike with him because he was my pal. And I showed up, and the coach went, well, who you got with you? To my pal. And oh, he's my friend. He's just coming to watch. What do you mean coming to watch? Let's go. Oh, he didn't even have a glove. What do you mean doesn't have a glove? Here's a glove. And the coach gave him a glove, an old beat-up glove to use. And right away the kid said, I just found it. It's like, this was awesome. It was so much fun. Everything about this thing. And then when they put a bat in his hand, he had the eyes, he had the wrists, and he could whack that ball really well. He'd never done it before. He had never even watched the game on TV, didn't know the game at all, and yet, years later, here he is ready to go play ball. And he looks back and he goes, wow, that's interesting. The choice to go with my pal that day to the park, that was almost an unconscious choice, and yet it set the trajectory of my life. Question, do you think you're going to have a few more of those kind of choices in your life? Answer, it seems like every day there's interesting choices that I'm making. A lot of times I don't even realize the power of the choice I'm making. Well, there you go. Gwendolyn Brooks, The Explorer. I hope it's maybe challenged you to explore a little bit. Thank you.